No matter where you live, government can just shut down your internet, just like Iran, where I live. So you're gonna need some apps, maybe before if anything happens. So if you're just traveling these countries, or you're someone that lives as a local, you should have these applications on your phone. The first one that I'm gonna show you is Psiphon. If you use Telegram, you can just search Spot and get the links. But if you're searching on browser like me, you can just head it to its website and download. With the latest shutdown on our internet, I had the possibility to add a VPN on my Android phone and hotspot it and send the VPN using a proxy on the iPhones that don't have the regular internet access to download an application from App Store. So you might need to do that if you're having trouble, since you need VPN as a default to do anything. But you can download these on your devices. It's pretty simple. Also, Siphon, the first application that I suggested, is a free VPN, and it also has the ability to add proxy too, but there's not a lot of proxies on the internet. We're gonna move on to other applications for now. The next application that I'm gonna show you is Openvpn. You need to install Openvpn. You can just search Openvpn client. I think I will add the links to the description, so don't worry about it. My internet is still, so you can just find your operating system and select your type. The next application is NPV tunnel. So this one is for the mobile devices. I haven't been able to find a Mac version. Maybe there is one, but I couldn't find one. Maybe there is a Windows one. You should search about it. I haven't. So I actually think maybe it has Windows version, but I haven't searched about it. But although I got a PC, so I should do it. If I found it, I will add the link. But for your Android or iOS, you could just find the links here. I will add them to the description, obviously. The next application that you want to install are free VPNs across App Store or Google Play Store. If you still have access to the internet, you should do that. Each of these applications have their own configurations. So if you're using my Telegram channel, for example, this is an .npvt file. You just open it, click on share, and click on NPV tunnel. It would add your profile here in the config. So these are the configs that it has added. The next config I'm going to show you is the OVPN configs. So it's just pretty simple too. No matter if you're using Windows, Mac, iPhone, or Android, you just click on open or share. It would automatically open OpenVPN, or you just, like on iPhone, click on OpenVPN. In this window, you click on add and you click on profiles, and it would add it to your OpenVPN profiles. There's also apps like Streisand. So if you're using Android, you could search Hop. Hop is just like a Streisand in iPhone, but Hop actually has iPhone version too. But a Streisand, which I first said, still I think doesn't have an Android version. So these two clients are V2A configurations. clients, you just copy the text, which I can by clicking or click on copy, and I click on import from clipboard. If I'm using Hop, it's like that. If I'm using Streisand, no matter what application, if you're using like V2ANG or V2Box on Android, you click on import, and you can have your servers. You can find these servers across the internet or on Telegram channels, maybe based on your based on your country, like you're from China or Russia. There's maybe your channels that upload those configurations just like me. Based on my experience, there could be some problems using OpenVPN and NPV in Iran. It could be differ on your location, so we're just gonna head out to them and explain them. The first one is OpenVPN. You just click on the hamburger menu on the top left. You click on settings and you go down. When you scroll down, there's this option named advanced settings. When you click on it, it would ask you something to allow you. It's a permission. You just click on accept, and you change the option to insecure, so it would have less time handling and connecting to the server. Then you're gonna go to NPV. Here's a little tutorial for you to remove the ad. So in NPV, if you got problems, it doesn't have any downlink or even uplink, you should just go to more, click on settings, scroll down a little bit, and you should click on these two options named enable local DNS and enable fake DNS. They are, I think, turned off by default. Then you're going down and turning off enable sniffing. I think it's turned on by default. They allow insecure, but should be turned on. Also, fragment should be turned off. So these are the settings on NPV tunnel. As I have searched, Hop and Streisand doesn't have problems to change any settings, but I'm gonna just check them for a second. You could turn off the enable sniffing here on Hop, or maybe Hap, I don't know. Also, let's check on Streisand. One good feature that the Streisand has is proxy share, so you could just hotspot your VPN, as I have told you. I actually have a Persian tutorial on this. If you're watching this and you want a tutorial on that, just comment down below. Is there a memory limit? Yeah, it's disabled. You could turn on enable insecure, so it would have an easier time connecting, just like I have told you and showed on OpenVPN. So that's it. So I hope I have been helpful. Goodbye.